Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're waiting on money from family or friends overseas, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to receive money from Remitly in 2025. Remitly is a super user-friendly app for international transfers, and by 2025, it's packed with even more secure and speedy features like AI-powered fraud detection and instant mobile alerts. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need the Remitly app. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and download the latest version. It's free and takes just a minute. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Remember, in 2025, Remitly uses advanced biometric verification, like facial recognition, to keep your account extra secure. Next, check your dashboard for any incoming transfers. The sender should have initiated the transfer and provided you with a unique code or link. Enter that code in the app to claim the funds. You'll be prompted to verify your identity. Don't skip this step, as it's crucial for security. If everything matches, the money will be credited to your linked bank account or a digital wallet almost instantly. Now, for some pro tips. Always double-check the sender's details to avoid scams, and enable notifications so you never miss a transfer. If you're receiving a large amount, Remitly's 2025 updates include options for splitting payments or converting currencies on the spot. Oh, and if you run into any issues, like a delayed transfer, use the in-app chat support. It's available 24/7 with real-time AI assistance. There you have it. Receiving money with Remitly in 2025 is quick, safe, and hassle-free. Give it a try next time you need funds from abroad. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.